Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VDSC. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I obviously have the chart more scrunched up here just because I want to take a look at the overall picture of things now that it's Friday, the week's kind of closed. I suppose we could look at the weekly chart, but I think the daily chart does a good job of showing kind of where the chart's been and then what you want to see continue to happen going forward. So with all the questions that I continue to get on this one, I know there's quite a bit of interest out there, so I think kind of looking at it from this time view will be pretty helpful. So I talked about this the last time I did the video, but the key resistance that was broken was right here from this clump of highs back in when was this? Back in January and February, and this is what we'll just call a high of 009. So that was a key level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, it has become an important level of support. And you can see that not only did it hold this week, it didn't even really get tested. So that's a nice sign there. In terms of another level of support, and this one is definitely one that I would call more of an ideal level, meaning ideally you would like to see this level hold, but if it doesn't, no need to panic, is going to be right here at 0.012. So I'll change that to green also. And those are going to be the levels of support. Now, the reason I did it from this perspective is to kind of really show that if this current trend keeps moving, there's some nice possibilities here for the chart. So just that first level of resistance is right up there, which where the profit taker stepped in on Thursday, and that's at 0.017. So that'll be the initial level of resistance that you want to see the price get some closes above. But then after that, have to go way back here, and the next level of resistance is not until from these. Looking back, you can see there's some price history right around this area, right in there, and that's we'll just call these right at the 2-cent area. So 2 cents is going to be the next area of resistance, and then that is followed by, and this will be the last one we talk about, but just to really show things, not until way up here. And just out of curiosity, this was on July 17th of 2012, so that's where this level is coming from. And then that level is not until way up at 0.026. So again, some nice potential here for the chart if this continued uptrend move continues. You can see right here, got the golden cross this week. That's always a good thing. So it'll be interesting to see how things unfold here. Right now, past 2 days red, no big deal. Hopefully that's easier to see now when you look at the broad scheme of things, how red days are just consolidation days, and then how the price has pushed upwards after each one of these. So we'll see where things take us, but overall, again, last 2 days, as long as support levels hold, which they have been, then nothing to worry about when you have a little bit of price action pullback. If there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out and sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you will see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click down here and look at our educational video course, over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was VDSC. Thanks for listening and enjoy your weekend.